And Paul Mashatile, the Treasurer General, are now delivering the eulogy.
Fairness, accountability and transparency. We will remain loyal and disciplined members of Babu Mlangeni and his glorious movement, the African National Congress. Inspired by Babu Mlangeni and his teachings, we will steer clear from doing wrong things. We will not be afraid to speak out and act against corruption that robs the poor of much-needed resources to better their lives. As we take over the baton of struggle from Babu Mlangeni and his generation of freedom fighters, let us today make a solemn pledge never to betray their cause for which they stood and fought for. We will honor and defend their proud legacy. We will ensure that their sacrifices were not in vain. We will continue to build the ANC to be a formidable force for doing good, an instrument for serving the people of South Africa, and a genuine custodian of the aspirations of our people. In the face of the many challenges in our country and our movement, we will remain stilled and determined. Like Babu Mlangeni, we will refuse to allow adversity to defeat nor derail us. We will remain undaunted. We will summon the courage of Babu Mlangeni and his generation as we renew and unite our movement. We will do everything, not for ourselves, but for our movement and the people of South Africa. Drawing lessons from Babu Mlangeni's life, we are clear that the renewal of the ANC must include deliberate action aimed at closing the social distance between our movement and the people of our country. Ours must be a listening movement that is not arrogant, a movement that is responsive to the conditions of the people, and a movement that speaks the language of the people. We must stand for and not against the people. A renewal of the ANC must also include the restoration of the historic values of our movement, the values of hard work, honesty, unity, selflessness, sacrifice, discipline, democratic debate, criticism, and self-criticism. Renewal must also include ensuring that the ANC remains a true parliament of the people of South Africa, united in their diversity. To renew the ANC will require that we do everything necessary to build an ethical movement. Demands that we win the war against corruption. Comrades, Babu Mlangeni's life was a life well lived, a life of service to others. As he said during the Rivonia trial, he did all what he did not for himself, but for the people of South Africa. It is therefore fitting that as we bid him farewell, we draw from the words of the Russian author Nikolai Ostrovsky, who said the following to say about life well lived. And I quote him, "Man's dearest possession is life. It is given to him but once, and he must live it so as to feel no torturing regrets for wasted years. Never know the burning shame of a mean and petty past. So live that dying, he might say, all my life, all my strength were given to the finest cause in the world, the fight for the liberation of mankind." Close quote. We have no doubt that Babu Mlangeni will rest in peace in the knowledge that all his life, all his strength were given to the finest cause in the world, the fight for the liberation of mankind. Lala ngotolo setwalandwe, robala ka khotso seaparangwe. You did everything you did not for yourself, but for us. And for that we owe you a great debt of gratitude. Go rest now, our Father. You leave behind a proud legacy. Hamba kahle Mkhonto. Viva the African National Congress. Viva. Thank you very much.